The sign says it's 1 hour, so I presume it's 1 hour plus returning. The descent proper starts just here on the right. So far, these have only been the approaches. This set of steps here is a unique construction. When you think that originally these were wood, the first construction was really quite remarkable. From here you can see most of the route to the bottom. No doubt this is part of the original construction. We're practically there. Just a few more of these rough steps to go. This is the bottom of Govett's Leap. An incredible sight. This is almost certainly a coal seam. I can see pieces of it in the creek bed.